How to trade on InstaForex. First, open the InstaForex app or visit the InstaForex website and log in to your trading account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up and complete the verification process. Once logged in, go to the trading dashboard and choose the market you want to trade, such as Forex, indices, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. Now select a trading pair like EUR/USD or GBP/USD. Check the price chart to understand the market trend and recent price movement. Next, choose your order type such as market or pending order. Enter your trade size or lot amount carefully. Set stop loss and take profit to manage your risk. After reviewing all details, click Buy or Sell to place your trade. You can monitor your open trade from the Positions section and close it manually or automatically when your target is reached. Always trade with proper risk management and never risk more than you can afford to lose. And that's how you trade on InstaForex. Thanks for watching.